Ganas is an extensible Web3 wallet and IDE built by volunteers for the Cosmos multi-chain ecosystem, supporting both EVM and CosmWasm. Ganas is available on both mobile and web, and you can use the web platform as an extension of your mobile wallet. Here we are on the web platform, which is connected with the Ganas mobile app through the Ganas X browser extension. Ganas X uses Wallet Connect version 2 to pass messages between the web app and the mobile app. Everything you see available on the web is also available on the mobile wallet, but because we are deploying CosmWasm contracts today, we will use the web version. We can select any CosmWasm chain here, mainnet or testnet like Juno, Osmosis and T-Grade, and we will use T-Grade for today's demonstration. And here we can see our current selected account from the mobile wallet. If we already have a deployed contract that we want to interact with, we can fill in the address here and the JSON schema for the contract interface, and we already have the schema for a basic CW20 contract. If we don't have an already deployed contract, we can either upload a WASM file here or use a code ID of an already deployed, an already existing contract that was uploaded on the chain. We can also browse what contracts already exist on the chain by clicking on this load data button, and we can see all the existing code IDs and also all the instances of those code IDs with address, creator, admin, and label for each instance. But for today, let's upload a WASM file, and we will set a gas price of 0.5. Let's add a contract label for the instantiation. And the instantiate message here, we can use this JSON editor, but because we have a schema for the contract, we can use this form. We will not set marketing or minters. We will set our token to have 6 decimals and an initial balance for our account. A name and symbol. So now that we have set the WASM file and this instantiation info, we can just click the do button and we expect this request to be sent to our Ganas mobile wallet. And we have it here. We don't see the entire CosmWasm bytecode because it is too long, but we can see all the other details about the request that we can accept or reject. And we are going to accept the request. We wait for the transactions to be processed because the code needs to be uploaded on chain, and then we have another transaction for instantiation of that contract. And we get the final result here. Let's look at this instantiation transaction hash in the Explorer. And we see the instantiate message for code ID 31. This is our new contract, just another CW20 token. So we will copy this contract address and paste it here. And now we can interact, execute, or query the contract. Let's query our balance for our current account. We set the balance here. And this is our balance. It is what we expected. And now let's transfer some tokens to another account. This account will transfer one of our tokens, but we need 6 decimals. Again, we are prompted in the Ganas wallet, and we can see exactly what we need to execute. We accept. And we can also see this transaction hash. Going back, let's look at our balance now. And we have 1 token less, which is 1 million token units. And the account that we transferred to now has 1 token, 1 million token units. And this is how you upload, instantiate, transact, and query a CosmWasm contract from Ganas. This wallet extension was programmed within the Ganas IDE, capable of writing extensions for the wallet itself. So the CosmWasm dApp is fully customizable as design and functionality, and it can be deployed and used from IPFS and cached in the Ganas mobile wallet. You are welcome to come and taste the future on web, iOS, and Android, and join our Discord channel.